Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make wallpaper for Android in Canva. Here's a simple guide with 13 steps to create your own Android wallpaper using Canva. First things first is to install Canva app on your Android phone. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Canva, and install the app. Open Canva and sign in. Launch the app by tapping Open and log in with your email, Google, or Facebook account. Tap the plus button. Tap the plus at the bottom center to start a new design. Choose Custom Size. Tap Custom Size to enter the exact dimensions for your wallpaper. Set the size for Android wallpaper. Enter 1080 by 1920 pixels, standard size for most Android screens. Tap Create New Design. This opens a blank canvas at the size you just set. Choose a background. Tap on Background or use a solid color, gradient, or image for your wallpaper base. Add elements. Tap Elements to add shapes, icons, or lines. Customize the look to your taste. Add text. Then add a heading or use templates to include codes or names. Upload your own image. Tap Uploads to insert your photos or graphics into the design. Adjust and arrange. Drag, resize, rotate, or layer items to finalize the layout. Save the design. Tap the download icon at the top and save it as a PNG or JPG file. Set as wallpaper. Open your gallery, find the image, tap More, then set as wallpaper or use as wallpaper. Tap Apply, then choose Home Screen, Lock Screen, or both. Now, you've got a personalized Android wallpaper designed by you using Canva. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.